sing a song together. 1, 2, 3, go! Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, Adrian. How are you? Good morning, Alisa. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, okay. Good morning, Axel. Good morning, Benedict. How are you?
Good morning, Brandon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, Kalia. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, Chia. Good morning, Disney. Good morning, Kezia. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, Lynn. How are you? Good morning, Gabriel. How are you? Good morning, George. Good morning, Jaden. Good morning, Jason. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, good morning, Jocelyn. How are you?
Good morning, Kenzie. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, Kenzo. Good morning, Linel. Good morning, Ala. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, Raphael. How are you? I'm fine. Good morning, Sabrina. How are you?
Fine.
Good morning, Rio. Good morning, Shannon. Good morning, Belisha. How are you?
We are fine,
See you at school. Let's do the worksheet and read the story together. Bye bye.